Good day, our subscribers. Good day, pupils, students. Today we present for you a very interesting problem from SAT book, and which is the very interesting book, and which contains many interesting, useful math problems. Today's our problem will be about geometric problem. Be with us and see and listen to the solution of this problem. Okay. Have a nice times. Once more, have a good day.
Hello, today we have a problem. In this problem, we must find the number of degrees in angle ECA. In a circle O below, AB is a diameter, so angle BOD, this angle contains 50 degrees. 15.
Yes.
And angle EOA contains 85 degrees. So we will find the number of degrees in angle ECA.
Okay, great. This angle, yes.
This angle here,
Which angle? Show me once more.
ECA.
Yes, angle near their C. Okay.
Yeah, here will be.
Here, this angle.
Here.
We must find this angle.
Yes.
Okay, great.
So because of this, as we know, the open angle contains 180 degrees. So because of this,
We can say that the point, the angle near the point O is open angle. Yes.
yes,
Yes.
here will be
Great.
open, and here this angle is 85 degree.
Yes.
So from this we can find this here is given, so we can find this angle
Yes.
ODE.
DOE.
DOE, yes.
Because the angle must stand in the middle of two letters. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Great.
So
Show me your solution.
yes, here is a solution
Yes.
which contains of all of this is contain 180 degrees.
Yes.
So we must apply 85 degree plus 85 degree plus 50 degrees, 15 degrees. So
Plus the angle of DOE. Yes.
yes, DOE.
Yes.
Here will be
100.
180 degree.
Great.
DOE is 80 degree.
Yes. From
Here-
this.
From this, yes.
Mm.
So DOE is isosceles triangle.
Triangle. Great.
DOE.
DOE. Why?
Because of this, the base
DE is base,
DE.
and OD and OE are radius of this
radius
circle.
axis. Yes,
As we know, the radius always are equal, the same, because we can say that the triangle DOE is isosceles.
yes,
Great,
isosceles
great.
triangle. So this angles will be 15. These angles will be 15. These are equal, as we
Yeah.
said. So
The
because
sum of inside angles of triangle
Yeah.
is 180 also.
yes,
From that we find that.
yes.
Yes.
So in this we can find that ODC
Yes.
ODC will be contained 130
So
plus 50.
we will find first the angle ODC. Yes.
Yes, ODC.
For that we use from the
From
definition of open angle once more, because there D point of D, near point of D, here the open angle. Give me your pen once more. This angle of D is open angle. Yes.
Yes.
180, and this angle we find from the sum of inside angles of triangle Z. This angle is equal to 50.
Yes.
Yes. And in order to find this angle, we subtracted from
Yes.
180 what? 50?
50.
50 degree. Okay. Here we find that this angle ODC is 130. After that, what we do? Okay,
We
subtract what?
130
Yeah,
plus 50.
plus 50 from 180. Yes, because also ODC is a triangle. Yes.
Yes.
And the sum of inside angles of this triangle also equal to 180. Yes. From that we find the angle C. You see, the angle DCO. The angle there is no difference.
Yes.
How we do name DC or OCD or ECA or ECO.
These are
The same. Yes, these are all the same.
The same.
So this angle number 3
Yes.
near their versus 3 is equal to what?
B. 35 degree.
35 degree.
Yes. We subtract. Here we subtract 180 from 145.
Yeah.
And the answer, the correct answer, 35 degree.
So we rock for you,
Yes.
for all you pupils to use this book. Yes.
Yes.
SAT book, and to solve all problems from this book, because it's too interesting and too useful, very useful book. Yes.
Yes. To improve your knowledge.
To improve your math knowledge, math skills.
Yes.
Great. See you soon. Bye.